So now that I unboxed this to assembly, the first thing you got to do is mount this to a work table and use bolts or screws. I mounted it this way into this block using these two holes there. The next thing you'll need to do is put on the blade. This is the wrong blade. I looked at the packaging of my chain. You can see it has a 30-degree pitch, and it's a 0.325 inch chain. So the gauge that it comes with here helps you figure out the size of the grinding wheel. Comes with a block if you need to grind it down to a different size, because there's, I guess, non-standard chains maybe. Not sure what this depth gauge is, but there is a depth adjustment. I'll show that in another video. It's right here. But for now, I just want to show you how to get this set up. In a third video, just do operation. And I don't know much about this stuff. This is my first time using a grinder like this. I was using files to do this by hand, which is super tedious. And so, yeah, so from what I gather, I need this wheel on here because that fits the profile that I need, which is 0.325. So you put an Allen key through here, as per the manual, looks like, and then you can unscrew this. Oh yeah, and I think you have to take this off, because otherwise you won't be able to get the grinding disc in there. So let me get this off. So this is definitely wrong. This thinner one is the right one. Could probably use that one, but I would need to shave it down with that block they gave. So there, it's on the center, on that edge. Now put everything back. They gave you two Allen keys. I'm not sure why they put different sizes. It would be convenient if they could just use the same Allen key, but I guess you need it for this anyways. Oh yeah, so I gotta hold the wheel to tighten this, otherwise it won't go. And don't over tighten it, it'll crack. Let me do that. Okay, so it's tightened now. And I'll be putting this back. There's also angles here I gotta figure out based on my chain. I know it's a 30 degree pitch, which you gotta rotate, loosen the bottom, rotate left and right to adjust the right, which teeth you're grinding, since there's it goes left, right, left, right. I'll put this back on now, and to do that, this goes through here, and then this piece goes in there, and then that bolt goes here, so you can adjust it with the washer and knob to fix that in there. Let me do that because I need both hands for that. All right, it's back on there. I think you could probably get away with not taking this off, this whole assembly, and pulling this out, moving this out of the way. I'll try that next time, but this works. So now you could close this. It didn't come with the second screw here. I don't know why, but one is enough. I'm not sure why you even need this cover, to be honest. But it's there, so I'll just put it back on. Okay. So that's it, and now it's assembled. Plug it in, and you could start operating it. I'll show you how to do that in the next video. But I still have to figure out the angles are. I know this one's going to be 30 in the directions. I'm not sure about this one, but I have a chain here, so I'll try to line it up with what I see in the chain here. So this is the 30 degree angle here, but the the angle for the up and down. I'm not sure. It'd be probably best to try it with a new chain and line it up to that. And then you would know what the angle is, because I don't think it says it on here. It's not any of these numbers, I don't think. Yeah, that's it though. I'll when I learn more about this, I'll post another video. Oh yeah, and this knob that comes, this handle that goes in here goes into this hole here. I already assembled that earlier, and that's the depth gauge, which I also can adjust based on the chain by touching the bottom of the chain and then raising this up a little bit. But that's it for now. Cheers.